Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video we're going to be looking at XAUUSD, that is gold. All right, so I've been telling you that this strategy works on all different kind of pairs and markets except cryptocurrency, which I've not actually tried it yet. Maybe by the time I will one day I'll try it on the crypto market, and I believe it will work too. All right, because the market what the market does in different based on different pairs. I think it cuts across different tradable um, markets, whatever they call it anyway. All right. So what I'm trying to say is, I believe what we have here, the same strategy we use in trading volatility pairs, boom and crash, which also works in trading currency pairs, can also work in trading cryptocurrencies. But I'll have to try that yet. All right. So today we're going to be looking at XAUUSD, which is gold, and we are going to analyze it together. All right, so first of all, you can see gold is always bullish. Gold has been bullish for a very long time. You can see it's been bullish, creating higher highs and higher lows. And now we are on the daily time frame. You can see that the market, after buying up to this level, I think I saw a video recently. People lost some money expecting gold to buy, but it sold. All right, and you can see this big spike from here. Market sold, came here, created something that looked like a head and shoulders pattern. Then you see the massive sells. Then since the market has not been able to move out of this long range, this range from this high to this low right here, you can see market has been finding it difficult to move out of this high here or this low here. It's moving within the range. All right, so you see the market, after coming back to this zone, it only reacted to this is actually fair value gap. Actually, this is a fair value gap. The market reacted here, and we have this spike down. It came back again, still on the same zone. It sold. Now the market this time around has gotten back to that same zone. This is the same zone it's talking about. Let me get the rectangle tool to mark the zone. All right, so this is the same zone. Market is back at that same place, and there's a reaction, guys. All right, so you can see the first sell, second sell, this is a third time, and this third time something is telling me the market is going to sell. And if you've been watching my videos, you will understand why I believe the market is going to sell. You can see the way the market sold from here. The last time the market got to this place, you can see the way it sold nicely. Then you can see the way the market struggled to get to this zone. It has taken a whole lot of candlesticks, a whole number of candlesticks. I think the whole of December the market was trying to move from here up to this zone. All right, so now the movement here is higher highs and higher lows. The higher highs and higher lows are weak. They're not that strong enough, indicating that the market does not have enough momentum, enough energy to easily break above this zone and continue buying. So what is possible here is that the market is going to react and then start selling to the downside. And also we can easily place our trend lines to mark the supportive and resistive trend lines. Mind you, this structure we are seeing here, if you go to 4-hourly time frame, you see it more clearly. Once you see it more clearly, you understand what I'm telling you, because it's actually going to be a continuation pattern. This is if the market sold previously, then bought, so it will continue selling. It's more like a continuation pattern. All right, so let's just go down to the 4-hourly time frame to look at it. And also, once you do that, take note of this. Take note of this zone here. You can see when the market bought to this zone, it rejected this zone. Then there's another rejection here. The market sold, bought, and came to this zone. There was a little rejection before even bought above. So there's a zone around this point. You can see reactions here. So you see that zone more clearer. It's going to be more clearer when you go to the 4-hourly time frame. All right. So let's go to the 4-hourly time frame. All right. So on the 4-hourly time frame, let's see, where is it? Okay. All right. So this is it on the 4-hourly time frame. Okay, so you can see this is the zone here on the 4-hourly time frame. So we'll have to take note of this zone. We have to take note of this zone because that is where we want to see the market get to before we think of doing anything. All right, whether I mean in terms of the sales, which we are expecting the market to actually sell. We're expecting the market to sell, so we want the market to actually go below this zone. If it can go below this zone, then no problem. We are going to enter the market to make some sales. Actually, I don't trade this pair actually, but I'm just showing you it can work. If you trade this pair, follow this analysis and wait for the market to give you the opportunity, you trade. Yeah, then to enter interest so you can make some good profit. All right, so now looking at what we have here, you can see the higher highs and higher lows I mentioned on the daily time frame. You see, on the daily time frame, we saw those movements, but they were not as obvious as what we have here on the 4 hourly time frame. All right, you can see them here, right here. All right, so if I duplicate this trend line, you can see what we have here is actually a channel. We are having a channel pattern right here. So you can see the higher highs and the higher lows the market created on the 4 hourly time frame. You can see a high, low, higher low, higher low, higher high. This is a higher low here at this point, and this is actually a flip zone too. So what are we expecting? We expect the market to buy. I'm expecting the market to actually buy to where we have this daily time frame zone, which marks the fair value that we saw on the daily time frame in the far left. All right. So now, if the market gets to this zone, we'll be having a double top. If the market buys to this zone, we'll be having a double top. And with the double top, if you can get an entry on the lower time frame, trust me, guys, you can sell and take your profit as the market gets to this zone here. Do not hold your trade to go below this zone, except you've taken partials. Then you want to adjust your stop loss and then just watch out, because it's a very high tendency the market is going to break through this zone, and there's also a tendency that the market can refuse to break through this zone. You understand? Until the market is able to break below this zone and close below it, then that's when you can confirm the market is actually ready to sell. Else, if you enter a sell trade from this point, maybe if after the market has formed the double top, the second top, then you find an entry, take your profit down here. This is a very volatile pair. You can make so much profit even with the market moving from here to here. This is a 4 hourly time frame. In the first place, that's a 4 hourly time frame. All right, so if we go down to the 1 hourly time frame, we will still see these structures more clearly, guys. You can see this zone is a very powerful zone. It's a zone we have to wait for the market to get to. Do not enter a trade from anywhere. If you want to take a sell, just wait, or either the market gets to this zone and go below it, the market has to go below this zone, or you wait for the market to get to this other zone here, which it can sell nicely. All right, so that is it. And as you can see here, what structures do we have here that confirms the market is actually going to sell? Two, we can see these impulsive buys, then the market did all this, so there's a chance. What do we have? It looks like an inverse head and shoulders pattern right here. This looks like an inverse head and shoulders pattern right here, which indicates the market will possibly buy. The market will possibly buy from where it is, maybe then to this zone which we are expecting it to get to. Then on getting to this zone, then it will reject, then come down here. So if the market gets to this zone, here, you find an entry, then trade the sells. That is what I'm predicting. You trade the sells and make so much profit. You can take your profit as the market gets to this zone down here, and you wait. Now let's say you are able to take this trade, and you're able to catch the market as it does this. You go to a lower time. Let's find the minimum lot size for this particular pair. I think it's about 0.01. Is it 0.00? Let me see. Two. No. Okay, then it's gonna be 0.01. 0.01 is the minimum lot size for this particular pair, right? So if let's say we enter, you find an entry anywhere around this zone. Let's say you're entering somewhere around here, then you will notice that you make so much profit if you can hold the trade for the market to get to this other zone here. It's about $26 profit. All right, and you're expecting the market to, once the market gets to that zone, you take your profit. All right. All right, so you can see you make about $26 for one position if you can hold, and mind you, if you can open more positions, multiple positions, you'll be able to make so much profit from this particular pair. Then if you're able, maybe you can't enter the trade at that point, you did not get the opportunity to enter the trade right at this point, then you're able to enter the trade after it has broken this our 4 hourly time frame or 1 hourly time frame zone here, this 4 hourly time frame zone. If the market is, if you're able to catch it from this point, then you should expect the market to sell massively. It's going to be massive sales, guys. We're expecting massive sales from this point. Although one thing you must understand is that the market might not just sell directly, just immediately after the breakout. The market might just do some buy and selling around this point, kind of a consolidation, then sells massively to the downside. Then you can take your first profit around this zone here. This is a very strong zone to expect the market to get to. One of the very strong zones in the market. Understand, based on this time frame. So you can take the first profit there, then you can hold for the market to sell down maybe to your next TP. But trust me, the profit you will make from where we have this zone, well, this your first TP is going to be so much based on the lot size. Even with the minimum lot size, you make so much profit with this, guys. Even with the minimum lot size, you make so much profit. Let's see what that can possibly be. Let's see what that can possibly be. All right, so you enter there, then you see you make about $30 with the minimum lot size, and let's say you open like 5 positions, that's about 150, guys. And if you can hold the more, like take partials and allow some to run, like close some positions, I mean you close some positions and allow maybe 1 or 2 positions to run, you can still make up to $50 for one position, guys. All right, so it's as simple as that. It's not difficult, very simple setup. You see the impulsive sales here on the left side of the chart. See the impulsive sales, you can see the sales here, then this buys. So once you notice this kind of things, always be sure to make some profit. The market will always give you the opportunity to make this kind of profit, except you do not understand what you're doing. Once you understand what you're doing, you make some profit. And one thing you must also understand too is that nothing is perfect. You understand? You can make the analysis here, the market doesn't play out. There are times the market will decide to just come to this zone and refuse to break out. You know, like when I say watch out for a breakout, the market can get here and pretend to that it has broken out. Then and then the next thing you see, it started buying. Just go to a higher time frame and confirm if there is if the market has successfully broken out and closed below. Else it's going to be a fake out, then you'll be trapped. All right, so you need to learn how to avoid being falling into those traps for the market, and you see with time you master it. All right, so like this video, guys, share your thoughts in the comment section. All right, and also subscribe to this channel if you've not done that yet. Join my Telegram channel. I'm coming up with a very super powerful information very soon that's going to help all my fans and subscribers. All right, so do not miss out, and information is coming very soon, guys. All right, if you do not have an account on Deriv, click on, there's a link in the description you can use to create your own account on Deriv, so you can start trading and making profit. Guys, my students are really making so much profit during during December. I had about 3 students that I was actually coaching closely. You understand, mentoring closely, and guys, they are doing wonders. They are doing wonders. I will share some of their results very soon, maybe in the Telegram channel, or maybe in my next video I will share, so that you understand. So in case you would want to enroll in my mentorship, guys, you should be ready to to learn what I'm going to teach you, so that you also be successful trading the market. All right, so I don't want this video to be much longer than what it is right now. So stay blessed. See you in my next video. Peace out.